Hello lovelies, this is not our regular fried rice, but it is fish fried rice. Watch the video so you don't miss out. 2 fish, rosemary, savio herb, white pepper, curry powder, seasoning powder, salt and some powdered onion and some garlic powder. Water, I like to heat up. I added in my onion. I gave it a quick stir. And I'll cook until it is properly cooked. So I use the fish stock to blend my green peppers and my onion. I added in butter, salt, nutmeg, curry powder, white pepper, and I gave it a quick mix. I added in my rice and I will mix. And after mixing, I will taste for salt. So I added some salt more. So I gave it another quick stir and I'll cover and cook it until it is properly cooked. So yeah, I added in my vegetable oil, onion, my deboned fish. I stirred together properly and I like to fry until it turned out like this. So now I'm going to be taking them out of the pan. All my returning subscribers, I really appreciate your love and support. So guys, keep supporting, keep following, keep sharing, keep commenting. So now I added in my carrot and I will fry it again and take it out of the oil. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and be a member of the family. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. Feel free to check other of my videos out that you might find helpful. Help me to share this video, guys. I gave it a try and it tastes so good, different from our regular fried rice. So I decided to share with you guys. So guys, please stay with me. I will not be uploading regularly because I'm having some issues, but I promise you, once everything is okay, I will kick back to my regular upload. So I added my green beans. So it is fried. I'll remove it. Do give this recipe a try, guys. It really tastes good and nice. I hope you try it and testify and see for yourself. So now I will add in the green beans, the green peas, and the green pepper. So I would like to fry too, and I'll take it out of the oil. So some click did not show up, guys. My rice was cooked, my green peas and my green mixed pepper was cooked. So I put them together and I gave it a good mix. So after I have properly mixed them, I'll cover and I like to steam for 3 minutes on a very low heat. So here it is, our fish fried rice is ready. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.